So now let's see how we can add and subtract masks inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So for that, I need to go around onto the mask section and I need to choose a mask tool. So let's say, for example, I choose a brush right here, and then I can simply go around and draw around the mask, as you can see right here. Let me just go around, change around the feather so that it is much more harder, as you can see right here. And you can go around and change around the flow as well to 100% right here. So this is the mask as you can see right here. So let's say what you want to do is you want to add a mask, then you can go around and click on add and select out another mask as well. So let's say I'm going to go around onto linear gradient, then I can go around and then add in a mask right here. So this stays on the same layer of mask, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around and subtract out a mask. Let's say I want to subtract by using layer gradient right here. Then you can see that these are the masks right here, but you can click and drag around and you can see that you can subtract out the mask right here. You can move this out wherever you want, as you can see this like this, and you can see the overlay of the mask right here. So if I were to go around and then let's say, for example, make changes over here, you can see that it makes changes to the mask accordingly right here. Then you can go around, move around the mask right here just like this, and these are the masks that you can move around just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with the mask. So you can see the brush mask right here that you can move around wherever you want. And that is how you can add and subtract mask inside of the same mask layer inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.